one out. Oh, no.
You held it.
Nope. There you go.
Early crow.
I take that back. So, we're at Mount Cotton again. Great, beautiful day. Apparently going to be storming later, but should be right. And we're out here with the QT Car Club, actually. Nice group of cars out, some old schools, bunch of young kids loving to drive.
Well, as I was saying, being here for a full day and not skidding is a bit like going to a club and being told you can look but you can't touch.
He's got his Yaris here that he can't touch. Poor man. Paul!
Weekend is over. Pete's group has been through. We've been driving. We've been going sideways. The Supra is dirty and we're ready to go home.
It is quite dirty. Hi. Bye.
You're an idiot.
I don't even know now.
What?
I don't know.
Don't know what?
Anything.
I
need coffee.
Do you?
Yes.
I need sleep.
I need food.
Well, I'd like a glass of wine and I'm going to go home and get it.
Wine. Ew. You're showing you're gay here, Paul. But it was a good weekend. Long weekend, but good. See ya. Dylan's mortal enemy, dad jokes. I've had people concerned that if I actually become a dad, how bad will my dad jokes and puns get?
So are we doing a book? David's pre-dad jokes?
So we've got the book of excuses and the book of dad jokes. Before all else fails, I'll just ask my dad. He's got some grippers.
Does your dad watch this stuff?
I think he does.
Dad? Hi, Dad. I mean, David's dad, not my dad.
Does your
My
dad
dad's probably watching this as well. Hey, Dad.
You know, I should probably just make a video about all the detailing as well. I'm sure people enjoy paint being cleaned.
Apparently people do like that though.
Yeah.
Not me, but people.
Yeah, because you just do the opposite.
Yeah, I'm dirty and break clothes.
And you find...
But I do make them fast though, so I do build them.
Yeah, but then you also put them into tire walls and rocks and grass.
Then David comes in.
Yeah, like the time I did the GTR, then 2 days later you put it into QR wall.
That wasn't me. That was Hudson. Hey, it's a race car.
I'm putting brakes on the car again. My favourite job. Actually, it's not a bad job. ME20 pads and Golf RF racing foot. We're really going to take this out to time. It's established it'll fit on the wheel. Just don't think it'll fit in the car.
We have a hammer.
M3 bro.
We have a
325.
we have a guard roller.
Again, M3 bro.
I have a professional guard roller mate who can do it.
It's so flat.
Dylan,
here,
stop stroking the vehicle.
It's so flat and like, it's good in here already.
You know what the problem you have that no one else has?
Every freaking problem in this.
Friggin' tires under the... So many tires.
But do you remember how tall that was? I sold this stock.
Taller than you.
It's some new jokes.
Okay, I'll open up my book of jokes. I actually got given a book of dad jokes a while back.
Is that where they come from?
No, I have never opened it. I want it now.
Anyway, so yes, endless ME20 pads, golf mode. Just gonna run the stock discs for now until the pads chew them out, which will happen. And then we'll take it to time attack, and depending on the tires we run, see if we can go faster than we did before. Josh at MCA put new MCAs in this car, so it should be faster. So far it felt pretty damn good, but it's still snappy on the oversteer, the lift off. It's still got a lot of lift off oversteer. You know, we do need a little bit more mechanical grip, so we'll add more toe in on the rear. So we'll go down to John and Keith for wheels, put more toe in the rear, and then we'll sand it.
As always.
I'll take the Supra as a backup.
No, you... Yeah, see, it's back up because last time he took the Supra is when it decided to go bang.
Yeah. And we've got lots of people using it this weekend. It's just a backup, Angela Thomas. We won't put any grippy tires on.
Good boy.
Okay, so look here. See a problem?
One's thicker than the other.
Exactly. What that means is the slider setup that they've got on the M3s are less than desirable. Only the slider part is actually doing the braking, or majority of the braking.
Yeah, right.
And because the pads have got these things on it to locate it in the piston, you can't change your pads around. You can make them last longer. New pads. Oh, that hurts.
He's getting old.
David!
He doesn't want to admit it.
Alright, time attack is happening tomorrow. So what I gotta do is I gotta get the Fiesta finished so that I can test that out. So what we're gonna do is get going on the Fiesta. I've just got a couple of things left to do, so it's really getting close, which is awesome. What we have done since you last saw is the Sparko seat is in now as a final assembly on the rails. We've got the harness ready to go. That's all set up correctly and all lengthened for myself for driving. We've got the cut off down there ready to go as well. Inside the engine bay, we've finished this up over here. We've decided not to go back with the oil catch can. What we're gonna do is we're gonna run it off over here to the oil catch can, which I'm gonna fit shortly, and then just have a filter off the end of that. We've tidied these up over here, so they're all nice and neat and ready to go. The car has had an alignment done and the height set. We've also got the cut off ready to go as well over there. We've now finally got the chav spec wheels on the Fiesta ready to go as well. So aside from putting in the oil catch can, we're going to finish up with the final little interior bits that are sitting in over there. They need to go in, fit a window net on the door, and then we'll put some stickers on as well, as much as I can get done today, because I've still got to get the BMW sorted out. And then we can go test it finally. We can go and see if she's up to pace. I did take it for a drive. It's different. It's got torque low down, which is completely different to the Mazda, and then it kind of runs out of puff at the top over there. So it's a different driving style type of vehicle. It's probably going to require earlier gear changes and make use of that, you know, that drive out of the corner. But we do have a lease hire for the next round in a hot hatch cup, so he'll jump in this car and test it out for us properly in race trim. But what we're going to be doing is we've got time attack tomorrow, so I'll quickly give it a shakedown, make sure she's somewhat up to pace. It's a fresh build, see how she goes. So let's get those things on the car, and then we can move to the M3 and move to time attack. Let's go. Catch can, done. Center console, done. Weight system, done. Window net, done. Safety stickers, done. Race number, done. Lazy shit. Bye!
Hi.
Awesome, all done. So I managed to get a lot of it done. I managed to also get the stickers up on the top over there. So they got the hot hatch cup sticker up on the windscreen and the skid control one at the back, and then the numbers. It's not complete, but it is damn near close. I did want to do the scaling and check the weights on it, but that's not going to happen for today, unfortunately. So I'm going to quickly get that loaded up onto the trailer, get packed for tomorrow, and then put the M3 on less aggressive stance, because apparently I run too aggressive and it rubs everywhere. So next time you see from us will be a time attack for testing out the Fiesta, as well as the M3 since we put the coilovers on. That's about it from me. All right, we'll see you at the track. Thank you.